This is What's Wild in New Hampshire by wildlife biologist Eric Orff. Here it is, Wednesday, the 14th of May. I'm back up to the New Hampton Hatchery. Where I see site work continues. No building construction underway, but they're doing some kind of pile driving or something here. Work continues on the New Hampton Hatchery replacement here in New Hampton, New Hampshire, and the Hampshire Fish and Game Department. Hatchery replacement. New building will be going in here to raise fish, hatch and raise fish. So 5 p.m., working late tonight. 5 p.m., the crew's still at it. Good to see work continuing here at the New Hampton Hatchery, soon to be, hopefully, Hatchery at the site here. NWH construction zone. Do not bother them. There's the ongoing work. Good to see progress. Not much to see other than that machine, whatever that's doing. Looks like a pile driver to me or something. They keep putting stones in it, filling it with stones and doing something. No one to talk to, so that's fine. We're not going to get in the way. Just watching. Yeah, it looks like a... All right, that's a wrap for Wednesday, May 14th, 2025, here at the New Hampton Hatchery Construction Zone. And I'll keep you appraised. We'll keep at it. Not much to see today, but work is ongoing at the site. This is wildlife biologist Eric Orff. What's wild in New Hampshire? The New Hampton Hatchery construction is wild today.